So here's the first tip. I painted the bottom of this with my spray gun already, and I'm going to either stain or paint the top a different color. So how I work this is I spray paint the whole body, and then rather than masking off and everything, I just take a cardboard piece and I spray. I get a little bit of overspray on the lip, but then I come in and I will sand all this. This will sand perfect, and then I can go in and either stain or repaint it a different color. And that makes a really, really clean, perfect look, because once you sand this little bit of overspray, it makes for a perfect top, whether you stain and or paint it. My next tip is actually flipping your furniture over whenever possible to give it your last coat of spray paint. Inevitably, you'll end up with a few places that have not gotten 100% coverage, but if you do it right side up and then flip it the opposite side and start spray painting, you're gonna have 100% coverage everywhere.